Hey everyone, Casey Watkins here, going over T2X. Today's a glorious day. It is my first cash out from my staking rounds. So first off, let's go. Yesterday we only had 1.3 million in entries, kind of low. I kind of expected it to be low with Bitcoin going crazy. I mean, it was under 10,000 less than 24 hours ago, and now it's above 11,000. I think it hit 11,460 something. So, I mean, now it's back down. Here, let's look real quick. Yeah, $11,195. So, I mean, it dipped all the way down to 10.8 and was high as 11,395. So, with all the action that's happened with BTC, I didn't expect this to be that high because people were really paying attention to the Bitcoin side of things. But with that being said, I still get my first payout from my active stakes. So we're going to hit that up. We're going to give it a second to load down here. It is taking its sweet little time. I have the link down in the description if you want to join in this wonderful machine with me. Basically, if you join with the referral link, you get 5% bonus for your T2X when you buy T2X. So right here is my first one. Started on day 7. It ended today at day 17. We staked 12,141 T2X. We got 51 bonus T2X, and we're going to withdraw 5,242 TRX, and we got some interest of 329 T2X. So we'll go ahead and click the collect. Always afraid that I'm not recording when I do this type of stuff. Alright. So that one's been collected. There we go. Finished processing. So first thing we'll do is come up here and we'll go ahead and set that to stake again. 13,180. 10 days. And we staked that thing. Successfully staked. So that's the reason I have 11 going at a time. So 10 days are always actively staking and 1 waiting. There's no day break, no days where there's a break where I don't get rewards. So tomorrow I'll get another, well, that's probably gonna be 1,000 by the time tomorrow hits. So they're just gonna keep building up. So let's see, click this. 5,242 Tron have entered my wallet. So about $98, give or take. So not that bad. Kind of excited about it. So every day you're getting different rewards and just keep letting it build and grow. So I hope y'all are as pumped as I am about this one. If you want, there's going to be the referral link down below, or it's over here in this bottom corner. So it's a bit.ly link to make it easier and simple for everybody. If y'all have questions, let me know in the comments. Let me know what kind of rewards you've gotten so far, or hit me up in the Discord. Y'all have a wonderful Monday evening, and be safe.